Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
What do you think summer romance के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
Okay, that is not that happening because
Come on, young girl, summer break, spring
yeah,
break.
I think you can both can swim in the pool and have fun. I guess that's all. Not I don't think so anything more than that. I guess yeah.
What kind of fun?
I don't know that. Oh, are you kidding? I don't know that. Ask the girls, not me.
Okay.
I'm single, you see.
That's why, no? More chances of romance.
Yeah, more. Yeah,
Yeah.
more.
More chances. Nothing happening?
No, yeah, nothing.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
Not the typical filmy way, but yeah, seriously.
But कोई romance की याद आ रही है, कोई summer romance की एकदम memories flood हो गए हैं?
नहीं, जितने भी romances हो चुके हैं, I don't want to remember anything of it. That's why they were over. But
Summer over, romance over.
yeah, summer over, romance over, everything over. I think winter and romance go well. So when we are chatting in winter, हम उस time romance.
Tell me, how do you keep in shape? You're in perfect shape.
Yeah.
So do you swim a lot?
Yes, I used to swim a lot since childhood, as well as like school days में school खत्म होता था और 1 घंटा swimming, उसके बाद cycling करके घर आते थे. That was my routine for 5 years.
Oh, okay.
That's why my mom said अभी ये सब बंद करो, इसकी height इतनी लंबी जा रही है that इसको लड़का नहीं मिलेगा. That's why you know how typical moms
Yeah,
think. But yeah, nowadays also I work out. I go for a jog on a beach early morning sometimes. Lekin I love to go on a pool and swim because that's you know, your knees and your joints don't get affected. It's a good workout, a good cardio workout, and I do yoga sometimes. So yeah.
So you're very fitness conscious.
Yeah. Fitness is my lifestyle. I think the way you brush your teeth, the way you take shower, I think like that you have to work out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I believe in.
Okay, but tell me, when you're in the pool, it's very important to look good also.
Yeah.
You know, so do you take care of your body a little extra because you have to get into a bikini or a swimsuit?
Omar, बताओ, thank God मुझे ये problem कभी नहीं आया कि अरे मुझे बिकिनी पहनना है, my tummy is out, my thighs are looking big. मुझे कभी problem नहीं आया. I think I always felt I have a ready-made body. I can, yeah, because as a model and then now into acting, so I take more care of everything. But you know, so I can get into anything, anytime. No stress.
Tell me, Mugdha, जब भी लड़कियाँ swimming pool में, like they're in a bikini or in a swimsuit, do they check out other girls? उसकी body कैसी है, उसका swimsuit कैसा है?
Of course, हम करते हैं, हम देखते हैं. अरे उसकी body, मेरी body तो उससे बहुत बढ़िया है. चलो, you get a nice, so you can have one more big pastry or something. Oh, I am allowed to. Of course we do that. That's inborn nature of women.
Okay.
I'm sure men also do that.
No, I don't think so. Men check out the women.
They check out women, they check out men, they check who is checking us also.
Acha, you've been checking that also.
Listen, I'm an observer.
Mugdha, not many women can carry off a bikini, swimsuit they wear because it covers a lot. Okay, covers defects. You think you have a better swimsuit body or a better bikini body?
I think I have a better bikini body. That's what everyone says, and you know, ये सब ये एक्टिंग में आने के बाद शुरू हुआ swimsuit, bikini है ना. मॉडलिंग के टाइम पे तो हम ऐसे bikinis पहन के, you know, we have done shows. So I never felt, even in fashion, if you've seen, I did that bikini scene, and but you know, it's all about the body, you know, like, and there are so many good bodies now. Everyone's becoming conscious about their bodies, and I think so many good, like, I think I love Lara's body. I think it's very toned and nice.
What do you think of Bipasha's body? You worked with her also.
Yeah, I like, she's got an athlete body, and she works out like a maniac, but she also like this only, well, like fitness is a lifestyle. So she used to always take everyone as like a gym chalo, gym chalo, gym chalo, gym chalo. So she used to really inspire us, and she's got a good body, and I've seen her new album she's come out with. She looks fantabulous.
Okay, that made you envious and say even I want to do it?
Not really, but that made me think, dude, I need to work out as well, more.
Okay, more.